Hey guys, welcome. So today we're going to talk about backing up your WordPress site. A lot of small churches, we use WordPress. So we're going to talk about backing it up, and we're going to talk about getting your backup and restoring that backup. So stick around. Hey, hello, Adam from the Light Media Group, where we help equip local churches to grow and reach their communities. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. First, you need to navigate to your website, and we're going to go to your URL, and then we will need to get into the WordPress CMS login page. So you log in here, and we're going to add a new plugin. So to do so, we're going to use the one today called All-in-One. So we'll go to on your dashboard here, down to Plugins, Add New, and just search All-in-One. Oops. Helps if you spell it correctly. All-in-One WordPress Migration. So go ahead and install this. Once it's installed, we'll go ahead and activate it. Then once it's activated, we can now see it in the dashboard, so we'll click on here. And we'll go to Export To, and we want to export it to a file. If you wanted to sync it up with any of your web cloud-based services, it has the option to do that. And once I click File, it generates the backup file. So there we go, and we download it, and I will download it. All right, so now we want to see how to restore it. So it's very similar, very straightforward, and instead of going to export, you're going to go to import. We're back again here at the WordPress dashboard. And we're going to import from a file, and then we will select our backup here, which is the WPress extension here. And this takes a while, so sometimes this may sit for several minutes. I've had it take up, especially with larger sites, up to like 15 minutes or so. So just be very patient. If it gets stuck at a percentage, just let it sit, kind of go get you a drink of coffee, and move on from there. So. Now, once it completes, you can go through this. You'll proceed, and what it does is it's going to go through and import all of your stuff. You want to make sure you don't close the browser, just like it says here. Please do not close this browser. And once it finishes importing, you'll need to go ahead and check your permalink structure. So if you had modified this or changed it anyway, you want to do that. And so mine is saved to post name. That's how I want it set up. If you had this changed in any way, you want to do that. So what I do is I go ahead and come in here, and I make sure that the one that I have selected is checked, and then I save changes, so none of the URLs and that kind of stuff is broken. Then you can go to View Site, and your restore is complete, and everything is back to normal. So, hey, so that was a quick video. Appreciate your time and making it through this far. If you have any WordPress questions or anything, just leave them in the comments below, or you can reach out to us on the Light Media Group, and we'd be happy to help you. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.